Good morning, everybody. A&M Bees, Backyard Bees here. Get ready to install a NUC into their permanent home. We're going to try to get it in before it starts raining again. What we're going to open this up. Take off your inner cover here. This is a 5-frame NUC. So we're going to take 5 frames out of here, set them to the side. Alright. We're going to give them a smoke. You might want to stand back. I do like a checkerboard pattern here with these. We're going to do 2 empties and we're going to do 2 broods and an empty. Go from there. Alrighty. Take the entrance reducer off. Check the top here for the queen. See her. All this that you see here on top is burr cone. We're going to take that off. With that on there, it's going to make them use this makes a mess. Fall down in there, they'll take it and they'll reuse it. And they've got it tied to the side here. Take some of this burr comb off up here. Whoop. Now I'm just looking for the queen, checking for eggs, which I see fresh eggs in there, fresh larvae. Every 21 days you'll have new eggs, new larvae, new bees hatching. Just gonna put that down in there because they'll take that and they'll use it. And down there at the bottom that you see, that's drone cells. That's your male bee workers. I don't see the queen anywhere there. May not find her the first time around. That's okay. Take that off of there. So these right here are queen cups. They do a lot of practicing, and what you do, you just kind of smash them down. They just practice all the time. I don't see the queen there. Well, hopefully she's on one of these two. Oop, there's a queen cell.
You do see the queen?
No, queen cell here. I'm just gonna kind of smash that. A lot of drones. You may not find her the first time around. I didn't find mine.
Are those eggs in there?
Yeah, you see the eggs?
See the eggs, Michael? The colored yellow
See
that
it?
have stuff in them?
Okay, the yellow is capped brood.
Yeah.
And then you see the eggs and stuff down there. So she's somewhere.
It was a hummingbird. It was a hummingbird.
She's somewhere close. Hopefully she's on this next one.
You did see the queen?
I'm hoping she's on this next one here.
Do you want me to smoke?
No, you're good.
Would they be covering her over by it being cold, keeping her
Could
warm?
be. They could be. Like I said, I didn't find my queen the first time around because they were all still kind of huddled together.
That one's dead
Yeah, you're gonna have some dead ones.
from being moved.
Yeah, and just age,
Oh.
just age and everything.
What's the average lifespan of a bee?
This should be like 40 days, 45 days.
Oh.
Unless they bite you.
Yeah, unless they bite you.
Will they go back down in those holes?
Yeah, they'll go down.
They went back down in the hole. Whoa. bees and you get free swarm box?
Well, Aaron's got that cardboard.
Yeah. But mine's still good too. I can still use mine
Yeah.
as a swarm trap.
Aaron, what are they clinging to up there on the top of that lid?
That was a burr comb that bees don't like a whole lot of space, so they're going to try to fill in every space that they can. So that's this burr comb up here.
Can you eat it?
Oh, I mean, it's
Is
just
it
wax.
honeycomb?
No, there's no honey in it.
Oh,
But you can take that and melt it down and make your wax stuff out of it.
okay. Now will they come out of that box and go in the new box?
We'll just kind of set it up there for the entrance.
And you got some up in the window too, bud.
Take that off. Alright. Yeah. Now you leave it for a week and then you come back and check it and see where they're at.
Now, are those free trays now?
Huh?
Are those trays free now?
These over here?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're free trays.
Swarm trap.
Yeah, you can put them in there. You want your first wax?
Sure.
There's gonna be here. There you go.
Okay.
All
Thank
right,
you.
and that is installing a NUC. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Got it in before it started raining again. When you put your inner cover in, the little slot should always be up, facing to the front.
Will the bees exit through that?
It's an extra insurance. You just, when you put your telescoping cover on, you just put it in and slide it all the way forward too.
Okay.
And there you go. The bees are in their permanent home now.
Fantastic.
Thank you for watching, and catch you again.